This is a 2007 Toyota RAV4 3.5 liter V6 2G RFE with a sport trim option. In this video we're going to replace the front strut assembly. We've lifted up the car and removed the wheel. Let's take a closer look at what has to come off in order to replace the strut. First we have the sway bar link has to be unfastened from the strut. Then we have the two crash bolts that fasten the strut to the knuckle. On this side we have the fastener for the supporting bracket for the brake line and the ABS. So with these bolts and nuts unfastened, the strut will be free from the knuckle. Okay, so we freed the strut body from the knuckle. I should mention that these crash bolts have a 22mm head. The retainer bolt for the brake line has a 14mm head, and the nut for the sway bar link is 17mm. So now we go to the top of the strut tower and undo the three bolts that hold the strut into the tower. These are the three bolts I'm referring to right here, and they are 14mm hex. So let's get those nuts off the studs of the top hat. When we undo this bolt, the last remaining bolt, the strut is ready to drop. So we just reach through the wheel well and support it while we just turn this bolt with the other hand. There you have it, there's our strut. Here's the replacement. We're going to raise it up through the wheel well and get one of the nuts started on a stud so that it can just hang from the strut tower. So there, it's supported on the tower. We can start the other two nuts. Okay, we can keep these loose until we lower the car back down. Now let's fasten everything up in the wheel well. Let's get this all installed. We'll start with these crash bolts. Okay, we got one in. Now we can get the second one in. Okay, now we thread their nuts back on. Okay, these will have to be torqued. So the sway bar link is back on. And this will have to be torqued. We'll use a Allen key on the center stud. If necessary, we'll do that. And now what we have left is the brake line. This is to show you how the ABS line and brake line are put back together. The ABS bracket is on top. The brake bracket is sandwiched between the ABS and the strut body, and the bolt goes between and threads into the strut body. This pretty much completes it. All we have to do now is to torque all of the bolts, put the wheel back on, and we're done with this side. Thanks for watching.